welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. I post makeup tutorials, clothing hauls, grocery hauls, and vlogs. So yeah, if you're interested in any of those, you can just check out my other videos. Today is Monday. We went to go see my nephew yesterday. Say hi. Hi. And I just missed him so much that I didn't even vlog. I hadn't seen him since last year. Last year, it was what, like 15 days ago, that I last saw him. So yeah, we went to go see him. We just spent the day there. And now we are at the post office. And then after the post office, we're gonna go to Discam. My mom needs some medication from Discam. So yeah, oh, here she is. Okay, so we are on our way to Discam. My mom just finished at the post office, and then tomorrow we have a nail appointment, and then that's it for this week. Hopefully, I do want to go to Woolies, like get some stuff, but also I don't need to go to Woolies. But then we need to go to Impala to get wraps anyway, and gosh, I just don't know. I want to get wraps too, like wraps for myself. So let's go. Hi everyone. So we just got back. We went to Discam, like I said. We went to Impala, but they didn't have what we were looking for. We were looking for wraps. So we just got some wraps at Pick and Pay, and then we came home. I'm gonna show you everything that we got. And yeah, so starting here, it's really dark because it's like really gray outside. Super gray. Anyway, we're starting with Impala. We got some papaya over here, some lemons, and pineapple. And the pineapple was so expensive. I think it was 30 bucks. And we didn't understand why. And the lady said it's because people use it to make their own alcohol, now that like so in South Africa, we are on our second lockdown. It's like an adjusted level 3. So the government's closed all like liquor sales, so we can't buy any alcohol or anything like that. So people are buying pineapples to kind of ferment their own alcohol, which is crazy, but that's why the prices increased so much. And then last thing from Impala, my mom got some cheese. Okay, and then at Pick and Pay, we got some whole wheat brown bread. This is fish, just in a packet. We got a chicken mayo sandwich for my sister. Back here, we have a packet of these beef strips for like stir fry. Love those. My mom got herself a Coke. Then we have 2 of these Dagwood sandwiches, 1 lunch bar. We have 1 white Magnum tub. I got myself a Coke over there. We got some mini pizzas. So got a full-size pizza. And then we got 3 packets of tortilla wraps. This one is, we got 2 browns and 1 white over there. We also picked up some dustbins and Grandpa. And then at Discam, we got some Band-Aids and this antibacterial spray. And then a couple of medicine prescriptions over there. But that's everything that we picked up. So yeah, that's everything that we got. It's still pretty early. It's like 12 o'clock. And I'm going to have some breakfast now. I'm going to have the Dagwood sandwich. And then, yeah, I will see you guys later. Hi everyone, so it is now like 1:45 or something. I'm downstairs. I want to make a smoothie quickly, and my camera is charging upstairs, so I'm using my phone. I'm going to prop you up somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. I just want something sweet, but like not a cookie or something. So I'm going to make a smoothie, and I want to show you what I do. Let me show you what we have. So we've got blueberries, raspberries. We've got some cut up pineapple. We have grapes and a couple strawberries. We have this mixed fruit like thing with tons of different fruit, kiwis, pawpaw, just like a lot of stuff in here. And finally, we've got our mango. So for the liquid, we have breakfast punch, which is already open, so I'm just gonna finish that off. And then we also have berry blaze in case this is not enough. We got some mango in here. We're gonna do some grapes, some pineapple, chunk of pineapple, a handful of grapes, maybe a little more. Should I do some blueberries? Okay, we'll do like 5 blueberries. Then we'll do a handful of everything in here. I'm gonna take, so this is what my cup looks like. I am gonna put it in my smoothie cup from Cotton On. You make me nervous. It's not enough liquid, I know already, but I'm gonna switch it on. I love the things that you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. So it's smoothie bowl consistency, which is what I like because it stays cold super long. This is what the inside looks like. And this is what the smoothie consistency looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Shut up. Come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. So that filled the cup. There's like a little bit left, but that's the perfect amount. I'm gonna seal it up. Okay, it's really good. We're gonna make the next batch. Anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, cause you're stuck on my mind. Okay guys, so that is how I make my smoothies. I really just dump whatever I have into the blender. The blender that we have is the Bennett Reed nutrient extractor or something like that. I will show a little unboxing here in this next clip of the specific blender. My mind, so just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. But we just got it recently. And yeah, I'm gonna go. Apparently we're going to the mall, so see, plans always develop. I don't know. We need vegetables. I'm not driving, but we're going. Say hi. Hi. Say, how are you? I'm fine. Oh, okay, say bye. Bye. See you later. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. today. Yeah, it's been a little bit of a crazy, unusual morning, but we are back on track. We are at the post office. My mom is getting something quickly, and then we are gonna go get some rolls because I'm gonna make burgers tonight because the electricity is supposed to go away at 8 o'clock, which is crazy. But yeah, and then I also want some bicarbonate of soda because I saw this trick on TikTok where you take bicarbonate of soda and you put some of like your favorite essential oil in it, and then you like what is it, like sift it onto your mattress with like a sift. Yeah, you sift it onto your mattress, and it's supposed to help like give the mattress like a nice smell. So I want to try that. And then what else? Oh, I need to withdraw money from the ATM. So that's like top priority. But look at my hair. I should have showed you my hair. Yesterday it was so big. I've tamed it today. So I double looped the thing that like just holds it back. But I will show you later if I remember, and I'll undo the second loop. So yeah, after the post office, we should be going. We are really buckling down. We are staying home because wow, things are getting insane. So, this is the first time we've gone out since Monday. We had to come to the post office. After the post office, we should be going to, either Woolworths or, what is it? Pick and Pay. I don't really know yet, but we aren't going to a lot of places.
To me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think.
Hi everyone. So we just got back from the shops. We went to the post office, like I said. Afterwards, we went to Woolworths at Featherbrook, but the store was closed because one of their employees had a positive test result, so they were cleaning the store, so they were closed. So we went to the Woolworths at Little Falls, and then we went to Impala and Westpac as well. So I'm going to show you everything that we got. Oh, and you can see my hair now. It's quite fluffy, but I'll show it to you with one loop. But anyway, let me show you. We started at this shop, the guys or something, I don't know how to pronounce that, but they sell like ready-made frozen things that you can just pop into the oven or put on the stove really quickly. Like they have lasagnas ready-made, cupcakes, they have cake sheets. It's actually just amazing. I think you can Google them. But we got spring rolls, vegetable ones. We got cinnamon buns. They come with a cream cheese topping over here. Cheese and corn samosas. Then we got this spinach and cream cheese pie 4-pack. They have everything. They have fat cakes, they have pizzas, literally everything you can think of. They have it frozen and ready for you to make. And then we got cheese croissants and plain butter croissants. We have bought from them before. I'm pretty sure I vlogged it. We got cinnamon buns the last time, so we decided to get some more stuff. And then we went to Woolworths. We got 4 of these juices, 2 apples, 1 tropical, and 1 mango and orange. Yes, there we go. We got butter lettuce. I'm making burgers for dinner tonight, so we're gonna have it with salad on the side. And then I'm also gonna do some sweet potato fries. So, I bought this Napolitana pasta sauce. I'm gonna use this as a pizza base because I want to make my own pizzas using like tortilla wraps, and then just put whatever toppings I want on this. We got some roasted tomatoes. 8 of these hamburger buns. They make them in 8 now, which is amazing. We got 2 tubs of ice cream, vanilla and caramel, chocolate and vanilla. We got hot dog buns, super exciting. This is what I'm going to use for dinner tonight. Yeah. And then we got a rotisserie chicken and a packet of bananas. Then we went to Impala. My mom got herself the lemon butter chips. These bananas the wraps, cucumber, some grapes, and this seedless watermelon. I'm so excited. And then we went to Westpac and got these 2 packs of these masks. They're 20 rand each. Then we went to Crazy and I got this no slip mat. This is what I use when I'm vlogging in the car. I put this on like the dashboard, and I put my camera on top of that. So this is how the camera doesn't move around and like slide. And then we got this insert for the little stick that we have. Mom got contact adhesive and 2 things of super glue. Oh, I'm pretty sure I skipped over this, but my mom got herself a chicken avo sandwich. It looks super yummy, actually. So yeah, that's everything. So that's everything that we got. I'm actually super hungry. I'm gonna make something to eat. It's just, I think it's 11:30. Yeah, it's 11:30. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna make something to eat. I have to wipe all this stuff down and then we can eat something. So
I think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me. Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say